This mod should be in Minecraft. Here's why.
Oh my god!
Let me explain. I downloaded a mod that adds orbital strike to the game.
Hold up. Aim and fire. Oh my god!
And that's why
Silêncio que cantam sutil esplendor. Luz na madrugada.
this mod should be in Minecraft. Here's why. Trading to a villager is somewhat okay, but don't you just wish you can sell? This mod does exactly that. And the coolest part is that you can even set the price of what item. That's why I tried to drain an entire ocean in Minecraft, and all I did was dig one massive hole. Will this drain the ocean? With this mod, water's not infinite. This feature should be in Minecraft. Here's why. In Minecraft, we already have stairs and slabs, and not gonna lie, they look like chairs and benches. Why not use them as one? With this mod, it allows you to do just that. And that's why this mod should be in Minecraft. Here's why.